Our retrofit castings are usually employed when tension rods have already been installed in a building but have not received adequate fire protection. The system is based on joining together the two casting halves using adhesive. The adhesive is accurately dispersed throughout the inside of the casting. The two casting sections are joined together around the rod. Straps hold the two halves together until cured. The turnbuckle is likewise fire protected. All of this takes place with the tension or suspension rod in situ.